자, 그러면 숙소로 한번 이동해 보겠습니다. 걸어서 6분밖에 안 걸려. 차이나타운? 아, 이건 지금 차이나타운이야? 호텔 자체도 금방 찾았어요. 어디로 올라가야 되지? 클로즈 닫았어. 호스텔 한국인들한테 반응이 엄청 좋더라고요. 어디야? 여기거든요. 이 위층이거든요. 스파크 호스텔. 아.
You're staying for 1 night, correct?
Yep.
So that will be 41 euros and 58, please. Would you like to pay by card?
Okay. Yes. Can I use Apple Pay?
Yeah, it should work. So, we're ready for your check-in now. I could just send you an email with your keys. You're going to use your phone to unlock the door.
Oh.
Could you maybe please open your email and let me know if you received it successfully?
Oh,
Yeah, you got it?
I got it. Access to your
Yes,
keys.
access to your keys.
Okay, I got it.
So that's it. Do you maybe have any questions?
Oh, no, thanks.
Okay. Do you need an elevator?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I'll show you where.
Okay, thank
Enjoy,
you.
Thank you.
키가 이렇게 나오는구나. 다 됐습니다. 아, 누르고 있어야 되는구나. 와, 엘리베이터 진짜 신기하게 생겼다. 이걸 누르고 있어야 돼. 아, 여기 적혀 있었구나. 홀드 버튼 누르라고. 아, 이거 무슨 음식 엘리베이터 같은데? 오케이, 다 왔습니다. 본격적으로 나가보려고 하는데 계단이 좋네. 심지어 스텝이 작아. 이게 미들 들어온 거구나. 자, 짐 정리를 했고 나왔습니다. 아, 이 바로 옆이었구나, 엔트레스가. 뭐가 아니, 여기 약간 차이나타운 그런 거여가지고. 와. 도너 하스케바. 아, 근데 다 이거 네덜란드어로 써있어가지고 그걸 알 수가 없네. 우리나라가 진짜 친절한 거 같아. 어딜 가도 영어 메뉴가 있어.
De dames zijn gewoon herhalen.
Thank you. 암스테르담에서 로테르담 온 가장 큰 이유 중에 하나가 그 프랑크푸르트에서 만났던 그 네덜란드 커플을 만나려고 온 거거든요. 그 친구들이 여기에 사는데 그때 당시에 뭐 로테르담에 있다 그래가지고 당시 저도 뭐 로테르담 올 생각이 없었기 때문에 그냥 그러려니 하다가 제가 암스테르담으로 넘어온다고 하니까 로테르담도 좋다 뭐 이래서 얼떨결에 이쪽으로 이동을 하게 됐습니다. 시간적으로는 딱 좋은 것 같아요. 네, 뭐 덕분에 로테르담이라는 도시를 알게 됐고 여행의 묘미는 또 새로운 친구를 만나는 거지 않겠습니까? 나름 재미있는 여행이 될 것 같습니다. 걸어서 센트럴역에서 한 18분 정도 걸린다고 나와가지고 지금 얼른 이제 부지런히 이동을 해야 될 것 같아요. 자, 이제 여기서 오른쪽. 아, 또 사람 많네. 아, 이거구나. 퍼포드 제살론 셋 맞나? 여기 같은데? 같은 데는 아니야? Oh, hey! Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine.
Yeah. How do you like it here?
It's good, but so hot.
Yeah, it's very hot.
Really hot.
Okay, on the hottest day.
Can I take video?
Yeah. Sure.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Oh, too far.
Too far. Did you walk over here?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't take the tram.
I
don't know the one.
It's more. Hey, how are you?
How are you? How you doing?
Oh. Oh, can I take video?
Yeah, of course.
Okay,
Yeah,
wait.
of course.
Yeah, I saw your YouTube.
Yeah. Just,
Yeah.
Okay. You want to say hi? This is
Hi,
the Korean guy we
hello.
met. Hello.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Yeah,
I think
the
they're famous for the
poffertjes.
poffertjes.
Do you know what poffertjes are?
Like mini pancakes.
Yeah,
A
so-
pancake.
Yeah,
I love
like-
it.
like
I love
mini.
it. I
Like
love
mini
it.
ones.
Ah, that's okay. That's okay.
Yeah. You want like 10 pieces?
Or 20.
Or 20 or 30?
At first, 10 pieces.
10 pieces?
Yeah.
Are you a big eater or
Are you hungry?
No. I'm small eater.
smart eater?
Yeah,
Okay,
really
maybe.
small eater.
Very small.
All of stuff is big.
Ah,
Yeah, we're gonna take a 30.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
yeah,
with
we're
the
going to
boat.
share.
Oh, yeah.
This is our lunch.
15. Yeah,
Yeah,
okay, I
yeah.
got it. Yeah. Pancake.
You wanna see how it looks like? I'm gonna show you a picture.
It looks like so sweetie.
Yeah, it is sweet.
Yeah.
It's sweet.
I love sweetie.
Oh, you
Okay,
like
that's,
sweet?
that's good.
Oh, then we should also take
My
you
name
to
is Sugar Boy.
the sugar boy.
Yeah, I'm a sweet tooth as well.
Okay, and sugar.
Ja, nu weten we wel. Ja. Mogen we eenmaal de 30 stuks?
Yeah.
Ja, eenmaal de 10 stuks. 1 appelsap. Iced tea green, hè?
Iced tea green.
1 iced tea green.
Do you
speak
speak Dutch?
Yes. We were born here,
Yeah.
so
Oh,
we grow up.
I first time hear Dutch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's quite similar with
To-
English. Too.
No, no, not really, not really.
Okay, not really. But if you're Dutch, it's easier to learn English. De kleine is voor hem.
Ga ik even een foto erbij pakken?
Ja.
Yeah. Oh,
Thank
A
you.
lot of sugar.
sugar. Wow. Damn, that's a lot of sugar.
Wow.
Really coated like snow.
Oh, there's butter. Oh, that's a lot of butter. How does it taste like?
And it's sugar powder.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in me.
This is also a famous place in Rotterdam.
You should visit the inside. It's like a market hall.
Yeah, a lot of shopping center and a lot of park.
This is the shopping street. Yeah, we were just shopping before you came.
Oh.
But it's very pretty. And especially with sunny weather, everyone is out shopping, eating ice cream, sitting on the terrace. That's also a very Dutch thing to do,
Yeah.
sitting on the terrace, drinking wine.
This.
Yeah, this. They make it like fresh. Yeah, maybe you can taste.
Goedemiddag. Mag ik zo'n stroopwafel, zo'n roos?
Oh, that's a lot of sweets. For you.
Thank you so much. Oh my god.
Make you sweet
It's
tooth
my
con-
precious. 저 달달구리 끝이다. 야.
Here you go. Try this. This is yours.
와. 와.
Is it sweet?
Do you like it?
I did more exercise tonight. It's so delicious. Oh.
It's so good.
Yeah. Just enjoy it.
Mesmerized.
와, 이게 뭐야 이거. 와. I need to take a walk. Maybe 2 hours.
Burn off the calories.
와, sweetie and more sweetie. 와. 와, 너무 맛있다 근데.
In a package, and maybe you can buy some to take to Korea.
일단 함부로 먹으면 이거 진짜 돼지대 돼지. 와, 이거 큰일 났어 이거. 너무 달아. 제가 달다 그러면 진짜 단 거거든요. 슈가보이잖아요. 와.
You go down, it's like a lot of store shops. You can go down if you want.
딱 콜츠네 느낌이 콜츠. 자, 이제 친구들이랑 헤어졌습니다. 간단하게 먹고 저 친구들은 또 저 친구들의 일이 있기 때문에 헤어졌고요. 다음 이 친구들이 먹을 걸 이렇게 사줬어. 미안하게. 심지어 그 안에서 먹는 것도 지들이 샀어요. 아유 참, 내가 사야 되는데. 자, 아무튼 저는 이제 친구들이랑 재밌게 놀았고요. 좀 더 넘어서 델프스 하펀이라는 곳을 가려고 합니다. 볼 게 일단은 제가 걸어 다니기 때문에 엄청나게 많은 곳을 볼 수는 없고, 아마 중간중간 스팟들을 좀 찍어야 될 것 같은데, 여기 이제 그 브릿지 쪽 굉장히 유명하다고 그러더라고요. 그래서 브릿지 쪽을 먼저 가고 그 길을 따라서 이제 델프스 하펀으로 넘어가겠습니다.